Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video we're going to have a bit of a stock update for you. So let's get into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, in this video we're going to have a look at GE, General Electric, and I'm going to show you what I see on the charts and what may be happening moving forward. So the first thing I like to do, guys, is bring up the weekly chart. As you can see, the weekly chart's through here, and we can see we've had a nice run to the high side on the weekly chart. You can see how it's ran, touched here, touched there, touched there. So really nice sort of running up to the high side, but we definitely broke it through here, as you can see, right? We definitely broke it through here. Now, if I bring up my handy dandy trend line tools, let's go line. So as you can see, right, this line through here was definitely a big line through there. You can see the market, the market rejected it there, rejected it there, came up, bounced through there, bounced off, and then we had a rejection. And then we come down through here, really big, sort of big spike down, and we closed higher, as you can see. So as you can see right now that the market definitely did close below this long-term weekly trend line through here. Just remember that, okay? So this is the long-term weekly trend line where the market closed below. Now, if we go to, say, the daily charts, where I want to show you this here, one thing I want to show you is that obviously with the 3-month view, and then you obviously want to have the daily view where you're squeezing it right up. And looking at this chart here, you can see how the market's really starting to respect this channel on as a resistance. You can see the market supported this all along through here, and now we're getting a resistance. And if I bring the trend lines up on this screen as well too, you can actually see where we're at right now. The market may be a bit of a thump, and now the rally's the market's starting to rally right back up. And now you can see this whole area, this trend line here, this big trend line is the weekly trend line, this one through here. And two, you can see this trend line through here is a resistance level 2. You can see that's been the resistance, and that's the one that I was talking about before, all the way down through there. Makes sense? So looking at General Electric, guys, it definitely does look like it wants a bit more downside from there. You get so much resistance through here, so I'm actually expecting a lot more downside. We can actually see, especially on the daily chart, that we do have that this little trough through here is an area of sort of resistance in the market. You can see through there, and that's where it is right now. If the market does start to pull back and really start to come down, then we can see it moving as low as sort of maybe the $23.50 to $24. So that's sort of level there. And then if it does break, then man, we have some other levels coming down through as well too. So that's the shorter term targeting. If we do start to move, guys, then we have probably a 5 or 6% drop down if it does start to really move on the downside towards that target through there. And possibly even down through the actual 23.50 mark as well too. You can see that's where the market really held last time. And then in there, so that's where you can see. So anyway, guys, remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.